welcome back to Favorite Toys, and today we're gonna unbox this very special puppy from the Puppy Surprise collection. And this is Tia and her puppies. She's still in the box, beautiful and pink. That's the other side. We can collect them all, and let's take a look inside. Guys, say hello to Tia, one beautiful mama. Beautiful long pink fur, floppy ears, very long, 1 and 2, nice and soft underneath, beautiful pink bow, pink glittery nose, hearts on her cheeks, cute white face, big smile. She's wearing pink color, of course, with a heart, and that's PS for Puppy Surprise. Beautiful mom with the long fluffy tail matching her ears. She's super soft. Can you guys see that? How soft? Very nice, just like a blanket. She's pink and blue and green and yellow, all kinds of colors, tie-dye. She looks like a poodle maybe. Rainbow poodle. So beautiful, soft and fluffy. And that's the back. Lots of hair going on the back. So that's Tia, and underneath there's a pouch. You can just open it. There's a Velcro. And in a second we're gonna find out how many babies she'll having. Okay, let's flip it sideways. Open the pouch. Okay, let's see. Boys, ooh. Guys, I see first puppy. Let's take it out. One pink cutie pie. Oh, looks just like mama. Same color her body. Cute little bow. Pink glitter ears, pink face. Cute little girl. Very soft and shiny. And she barks, guys. Beautiful baby number 1. Congratulations, Tia. Let's see if there's any more babies. Let's open up. I see baby number 2. Ooh, that's another girl. Pink beautiful ears, glitter but white face. Can you see the difference? Pink and white. Same color body, nice tie-dye with the bow, but this one doesn't bark, nice and soft. 2 girls. We have 2 baby girls so far. Is there any more? I see something else. Oh guys, that's a little one. Another girl. Pink ears, big smile, bow. Cute little tail. Doesn't bark, but this one's the smallest one, guys. Can you see the difference? 1, 2, and 3. Baby number 1, baby number 2, and baby girl number 3. Congratulations, Tia, you have 3 baby girls. And the smallest one we call a RUNT. Teeny tiny baby. Smallest of all. Congratulations, Tia. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more.